Hey everybody, my name is Ben McRel. I'm the new principal on special assignment working here at DSC. First of all, I want to introduce myself to all of you because I'm new to the district. And secondly, I want to thank you for taking your time today to do this Moodle course on the McRel evaluation system. Our hope is that this Moodle course will help build your knowledge and skill about the evaluation system and tool, prepare you for your evaluation year this year, as well as help you understand how McRel can be that professional growth tool that it's designed to be. I also wanted to make you aware of the McRel advisory team, which is a 16-member team with representatives from across District 287. That team is responsible for the oversight of the short and long-term improvements of our McRel evaluation system. If you have any questions as you go through this year and your evaluation, feel free to call me, email me, or stop by my office here at DSC. I'll do my best to help you out in whatever way that I can. Thank you and good luck.